Jennifer Roberts here from Aroma Escape. Today we are not talking about escaping aromatically. However, we are talking about the doTERRA Dream Convention Kit. Let me tell you why it is such a big deal, why everybody's talking about it. And if you are not a member, we'll chat about how to become a member and get the amazing price. So the reason that this Dream Convention Kit is such an amazing deal, first of all, is it's all the products that are brand new, like they just came out a week ago at the doTERRA convention. Second of all, it's $100 saving. So once these convention kits are gone, they're gone, and you pay for all the products individually priced. And individually, if you were to purchase all of them, would be $332, but today you can buy it for $232. So boom, you can get it for a lot less. And I'm going to show you a quick way to grab your convention kit. So let's get started. Now let's jump on over here and I will show you what to do. So if you go to the URL dream.aromaescape.com, it is the fastest way to go ahead and grab your convention kit. If you are already a doTERRA member, when you click add to cart, you can go ahead and log in and shop and check out, okay? If you are not a doTERRA member and you have somebody who has referred you to doTERRA, I highly encourage you to go to that person and get their referral information. Otherwise, we here at Aroma Escape will support you, and by going through our link, we will be the ones who will help you. Okay, so, but don't worry if you're a member, you log in and you go ahead and shop. No worries. So I will mention this. If you're thinking, I probably don't need all of those products. I'm really not going to use the body mist. Okay, that's perfect. But if you were to go and purchase 2 of the products or 3 of the products individually, you're almost at $200. So I highly encourage you to go ahead and grab the convention kit while you can, and you can use them for Thanksgiving, host and hostess gifts, Christmas presents, etc. You are only allowed to purchase 2 of these because they are going to sell out quickly, and if they sell out before you watch this video and grab yours, please don't blame this girl right here. I'm sorry. Seriously though, they're gonna go fast, and doTERRA peeps, they go crazy for new products, okay? They just do. And I will also recommend that if you are in the area of one of the post-convention dream tours, I highly encourage you to go because you will learn all about the science, the love, and the care about doTERRA that backs these amazing aromas. So let's get started. So right here, you'll go ahead and click add to cart. Once you click add to cart, you're going to have these items placed right here in your shopping cart. Then you will go ahead and click review order. Once you click review order, you're going to get a box saying if you are already a member, you're going to log in here. If you want to purchase just at the retail price and you're like, I don't want the discount, you will pay $306.67 today. If you would like to become a member, this member price right here is actually incorrect. You are actually going to pay $265. So if you're discouraged because you're like $293 and it said $230, no. Actually, you're going to pay a one-time fee of $35, and as you're checking out, you will see that it's only $265. That's the $230 with the $35 one-time membership fee. You will not pay $35 again. Okay, so let's go ahead and say become a member, and you will go ahead and fill out all of your pertinent information here. Okay, perfect. So after you've entered all of your application information, you will see this next screen where it's going to say select a kit. Now you can select one of the starter kits, but if all you want is the convention kit, then scroll to the bottom and select doTERRA wholesale membership fee. Again, this is a one-time fee. It's $35. Click add. And you are going to say review, unless you would like to add more products. So if there's other doTERRA products that you would like, lavender, peppermint, lemon, copaiba, this guy, then go ahead and click add products. Otherwise, click review. And as you'll see, over on the review screen, it's only $265. So the $290, whatever it said on the first screen, that was actually incorrect. So My sincere apologies for that. However, it is only $265. So you will see that you are getting the membership, which comes with an amazing booklet to help you with your new oils and your new oil journey. Or if you're already an avid oil user, that's awesome too. You'll just love the book. Maybe you could give that to somebody as well and help them learn more about essential oils. Okay, and you'll see your dream kit is here. And the awesome thing about this particular dream kit and this particular month is when you purchase this dream kit in the month of October, which is the only month it's actually available, you will receive a free car diffuser and 3 free oils. So you're going to get the car diffuser, red mandarin, kumquat, and clementine, all for free. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's really true. Okay, so then you click proceed to checkout. Okay, so on the next screen is your shipping information. So if your shipping address is different from the address you put on your application, be sure to change it here by clicking the edit link, and you can put in your cell phone number to receive your order confirmation and shipping confirmation, which is cool. Also note that the delivery options here, you can have it shipped or you can pick it up at the doTERRA headquarters. It's going to default to standard $6.99 shipping, but if you are good with 3 to 6 day shipping, I highly encourage doing the $3.99 shipping. It is quite fast. Also, if you are in and around the Salt Lake area and you would like to visit the doTERRA headquarters and pick up your convention kit, your products, whatnot, you can select pickup and you don't have to pay any shipping. It's free. Okay, so make sure you click the economy $3.99 and click continue. Here's where you're going to enter all of your credit card information. Okay, once you're done with the credit card payment screen, be sure on your credit card payment screen, if it does not go through, it could have something to do with the name or the address, the billing address. So make sure everything on the card appears the same on the credit card payment screen and the billing address. Just really double check your billing address. That's usually the culprit for why you cannot pass the credit card payment screen. So once you've passed the credit card payment screen, you are ready to review your order and check out. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your lovely booklet, which is your membership, your dream convention tour, and your awesome freebies here. 3 free oils and your car diffuser. So as you can see here, our total with shipping and taxes where we are located comes to $287.54, but it is going to depend on your taxes where your items are being shipped to. So, okay, so guys, I am super excited. If the site is lagging, that means all the doTERRA peeps are trying to purchase their convention kit. So I highly encourage you to take a few shots of Copaiba. Okay, members, let me talk to you for a second. So the easiest way to get the convention kit as a member is to log into your back office, go all the way down, click on new products. Then you'll see the Dream Tour collection right there at the top. Click add to cart. Gonna give you a little tip here. When you go over up to the cart, click review order, and you're going to say create a loyalty rewards order. Now let me tell you why, because you can create multiple loyalty rewards orders every month. You don't have to only do one. You can have multiple, and if you already have one out there, it will create a second one, and you can cancel the second one without chatting, calling, emailing, so it's no problem. So create a new loyalty rewards program. You already have an existing order, blah, blah, blah. It's fine. Just click continue and pick any day because you're going to process it right now. Okay, save that date and shop. Okay, so I have the Dream Tour collection right here. I've got my free Mandarin, kumquat, clementine, and the car diffuser. So that is super awesome. Now let me note that I'm also going to get the free lemon, the free product of the month. So that will show up on the last screen. So normally, see, you can't purchase. You're going, Jennifer, you cannot purchase a Dream Tour convention on an LRP. Well, yes, you can. You want a tip? Here's your tip. You're welcome. You can thank me now or later. Just kidding. Okay, so always select, this is for personal consumption because you're using it, okay? Otherwise, you're going to get charged more taxes, which is going to be on the retail price. Now, what you're going to do is select donate $1 to the Healing Hands Foundation and watch this magic. Okay, so here's the magic. Proceed to checkout is now illuminated, so you can proceed to checkout. Isn't that awesome? Okay, and as you can see, my lemon has been added because I have not placed an order yet this month, and I can go ahead and get my lemon for free as well. So I can just also remember, if you're creating a new LRP, it's always going to default to the standard shipping. If you're like me and you want to save your $3, even though you're going to get it back in LRP points, I don't feel like spending it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the $3.99 shipping, make sure all this jazz is correct, and I'm going to continue and proceed to checkout. And I will show you how that magic works. You're going to see. Give it some time here, folks, because a lot of people are shopping. Be patient with doTERRA. And if you don't have the patience and you're super, let's say, have anxious feelings, grab your copaiba and chug-a-lug-a-lug-a-lug. It will chill you out really quick. Okay, so here we go. I can go ahead and proceed to checkout and process now. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hoped that I was able to help you get your dream convention kit. If you are a member, guys, go and log in and get your discount. If you're not a member and you have someone who has been supporting you, who invited you, told you all about doTERRA, please, please, please go through them. If not, I would love to support you. All of us here at Aroma Escape would love to support you. So we're here for you. Guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Bye now.